Hello Dnation and welcome back to yet another unbox and review episode. Today we're going to be reviewing the MV Agusta F4 and we're going to be comparing it alongside with the MV Agusta F3, and these are licensed diecast replica motorcycles manufactured by Bburago. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, the packaging on this one is a signature style Bburago clamshell boxing with all the product branding and information. So let's take a look at this premium boxing before we crack this thing open. With that out of the way, and as we get this unboxed, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast motorcycles away from children below the age of 5, as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get this opened. To begin with, this model is a licensed diecast motorcycle replica of the MV Agusta F4, which is one of the most popular superbikes, and this is a premium and well-detailed replica and has a good build quality and quite a bit of intricate details to it. And this model is manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components with ABS plastic, which makes it premium looking. And before we get started, I want to make a side-by-side comparison of the MV Agusta F3 and the MV Agusta F4. So here we go. And so, to kick things off, this is the 1/18 scale replica of the MV Agusta F3, and this premium model measures in at 4.8 inches in length, 2.8 inches in height, 1.8 inches in width, and weighs in at about 115 grams, which makes it quite sturdy and well built. And this is a 1/18 scale replica of the MV Agusta F4, and this premium model measures in at 4.8 inches in length, 2.8 inches in height, 1.8 inches in width, and weighs in at about 115 grams, which is the same as the F3 with a few external differences and paint apps, as you can see. These models come with spot-on paint apps and branding details and have free rolling wheels, excellent suspension, a kickstand, and a lot more details that make these a premium collectible. And with these licensed models, you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector hobbyist. So with that being said, now let's place this fast and furious replicas on the Dnation Dyno and check out its wheel spin and functionality. So with that being said, let's begin the Dnation Dyno test with the MV Agusta F3. And kindly find further features and specifications regarding these premium diecast motorcycles in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with the MV Agusta F3. And so with that being said, let's move on to the MV Agusta F4. And please do let me know in the comments below as to which one of these models are your favorite. Is it the MV Agusta F3 or is it the MV Agusta F4? So let me know which one of these are your favorite. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with these premium diecast models. And as you can see, the wheel spin and the suspension on these diecast replicas are amazing. And so with that being said, let's place these diecast superbikes on the Dnation turntable and take a look at these beauties in a 360-degree view. And while we enjoy the beauty of these diecast motorcycles, here are a few fun facts. The MV Agusta F4 is a 4-cylinder sports bike made by MV Agusta from 1999 until 2018. It was the motorcycle that launched the resurrection of the brand in 1998. The F4 was created by motorcycle designer Massimo Tamburini at CRC, which is the Cagiva Research Center, following his work on the Ducati 916. The F4 had a single-side swingarm, large diameter front forks, and traditional MV Agusta red and silver livery. The F4 engine is also one of the few production superbikes to have a hemi-spherical cylinder head chamber designed with 4 valves per cylinder. The F4 engine was originally designed to meet the limit of the 750cc of the Superbike World Championship, although an experimental 898cc version was produced in 1998. And for further information on the MV Agusta F4, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones these 1/18 scale diecast motorcycles that were featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go and check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And I also wanted to let my Dnation family know that I've got some amazing and one-of-a-kind exciting and fun videos lined up for you. And I would love for you to be a part of this journey. So stay tuned and show Dnation some love, and thank you once again. And this brings us to the end of this amazing review episode. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our exciting and upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this topic, please do drop a comment below. And stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.